Okay everyone, so video rehouse is imminent, especially for this guy right here. This is Stavros, mature male, P. cancerides, Haitian brown bird eater. You've seen just a video of him making a sperm web, and I thought I should get this opportunity to record this on video since it's been about 5 or 6 years that I made one like that with Hans, my mature male T. sturmey. So it gives you guys an education of how mature males make their sperm web, how do they do it to charge their sperm, to mate with their females, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And I caught him in the naughty act, and that's why he destroyed his sperm web. So, let's see how this male acts. And away we go. I mean, it's a very small enclosure for him, and he deserves a bit better. Okay. Alrighty, wish me luck. Okay. Yeah, you see that? Not even one flippin' second turn threat posture. Yeah, you see, he's coming at me too. My God, is he huge. Oh boy. Oh, he's pissed at me. Story of my life. Hug a rainbow. Alright. Alright, Stavros. Oh, you ain't so bad. Rose, is he really the mature male? That's Dimitri's brother. He's not too bad. He's a bit stubborn, just like my Bonatina. Well, maybe I stand corrected. See, guys, I don't want to use my hands because he's looking for a bite. I mean, this is a mature male that's huge. I mean, I think he's bigger than Dimitri. And too bad Dimitri passed away, but he lived about 2.5 years in his maturity stage, and that's pretty long for a mature male to live. Okay, so I'm hoping you can see this. Here, I'll just push this upwards. So you need 2 hands for this. Come on. He's gorgeous for a mature male. He's definitely going to be a nice candidate for Isabella. Oh. And apparently he has a no-nonsense behavior. Rose, really? He ain't too bad. He's my brother. There we go. A nice rehouse. Get a look at his tibial hooks. Right here. This is where he hooks onto the female's fangs, so that way he doesn't get bitten. Most mature males have this, but not all of them. But all mature males, what they will have, if you'll let me hold him here. This is his pedipalps. Oops, sorry. And these pedipalps are swollen, and that's basically where he stores his sperm. Beautiful male. He ain't so bad. Alright, so I think in a couple of days, hopefully by Monday, I'm going to start feeding up my 2 females, Isabella and Jezebel, and I will be mating them, as well as the G. rosea and the P. striata. Have to feed those. And this weekend we're supposed to try again with the P. metallica. Hopefully we'll get a better pairing. Man, that male was so skittish. But there we go. I should just record this video for you guys. Mature male P. cancerides rehouse. Hope you enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching. And I do have some rehouse pending with a couple of species that's overgrown their deli cups, and there'll be time to rehouse them. Alright, so enjoy and thanks for watching.